Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Well, today's video is about this lovely salad you see. It really surprised me. I make it 2 days in a row because it was really tasty. The combination of flavor was just fantastic. I really enjoyed making it, eating it, and I'm gonna share it with you. Let's gonna start with our vinaigrette. I did a portion for 3 salads. I started with 2 limes, squeeze the juice of 2 limes, and if you see the peel of the lime, I use it for a salmon. I'm preparing it with this salad. I'm gonna top it. I'm gonna do a separate video, a short video for that. It's just also very easy salmon. So squeeze the juice of 2 limes, and now it's just a very basic 3-1 vinaigrette. I'm gonna start with 1 tablespoon of mustard, 6 tablespoons of olive oil extra virgin. This was around 1 tablespoon of honey. This is around 3 or 4 grams of salt, a little bit of pepper, and a touch of soy sauce. Yeah. Now just emulsionate, just mix it carefully, slowly. You will mix it until it gets emulsionated. It's very easy. Now, after you do it, you taste it, then you can add a little bit more of sweetness, sourness, salt. Yeah. Remember, this is the core of our dish, so we need to have all the flavor here because our veggies are raw. So that means we need to really invest time in our vinaigrette that it tastes like we want it to taste. Yeah. You see, it gets emulsionated just like this. Yeah, we're getting to the point. Now I'm gonna prepare. Now I'm gonna taste it myself. Yeah. And after I taste it, I will decide what to do. Yep. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of this is vinegar, just a little bit of vinegar and a little bit of olive oil. Yeah, this is extra virgin olive oil I bought from Greece. Fantastic, just organic. We bought it to a friend of ours there. It's just like that, and just like that we got our vinaigrette, and then we got easy shredded cabbage. I'm using red cabbage, just shredded. Add some cashews, and now we are gonna add some blueberries, just fresh blueberries. They will explode in your mouth, bringing some liquid and some crunch as well. Some pomegranate, of course, tasty. And just like that, look, dried cranberries, sweet and sour. We're gonna bring also apart from our vinaigrette. Yeah. And now we're just gonna add our vinaigrette on top of it. That's it. Salad, very easy, very tasty. I'm sure you will love it. Anyone can make this and you will be very satisfied with the result because it's just very tasty. As I said, this is it. I've just finished up myself with some piece of salmon on top of it. You can just eat it like that as a side, but I'm gonna show you the final part with the salmon. I roasted a little bit with coconut and coriander seeds, just like that. Quite easy. I'm making a new video. I'm gonna post it during this week as well. And that's it. Thank you very much. I hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel, hit that thumb up button. Ciao.